All aircraft, unless specifically exempted, operating or about to operate within the Nassau and Bahama TMAs and within a 50 nautical mile radius of Nassau and Freeport International Airports shall report as a minimum to the respective approach control unit as follows. Their identification, aircraft type, position, direction of flight, and cruising level. These reports shall enable the respective approach control unit to provide a more effective advisory service to possible conflicting flights, controlled and uncontrolled, within the TMAs. Pilots shall contact the appropriate approach control unit as follows. Nassau approach on frequency 121.0 MHz. Freeport approach on frequency 126.5 MHz.